There has been public outrage after a St. Ann man seen in a viral video hurling expletives at the Prime Minister was taken into custody by the police. This is not the first time an arrest has been made after lewd remarks are made at the Prime Minister and has again raised questions about freedom of speech. Minutes after the Prime Minister announced new COVID prevention measures, including tighter curfew times, reactions flooded social media. Among them, this expletive-riddled rant directed at the Prime Minister.
You're real waste, man, yo. Mother.
Oh, yeah, man. Boy, you take curfew.
The man, who identified himself as Shaquille Higgins, was apparently irate about how the earlier curfew time announced would affect his party plans.
Anjo, wellness, me. Name Shaquille Higgins, live on Main Street, man. Come to me now.
And that they did. In two videos posted early Tuesday morning, the St. Ann police are seen ordering Mr. Higgins to get dressed before taking him into custody and demanding he apologize to the Prime Minister.
Go ahead, Mr. Higgins.
I'm really sorry.
No, man, sorry. Go better than that, man. Go see him like when you go into your car, man.
I'm really sorry for the indecent language. I'm sorry for whatever I said in the video, all those bad things. I'm sorry about it. I'm sorry to the police force. I'm sorry to the whole Jamaica.
We're not going to sit there.
In April last year, Dwayne Mitchell of Jonestown, St. Andrew, was reportedly taken from under his bed by the police after his social media rant about curfew times went viral. Since this recent incident, Jamaicans on social media have been blasting the police for their actions.